Hello everyone, my name is Amparo Santamaria and I am a hematologist at the Reproductive Hematology Unit at IVIRMA Alicante Clinic in Spain. I'm delighted to connect with you today to share the highlights of our recent research conducted with my colleagues Ana Ballester and Dr. Manuel Muñoz from the Gynecology Department at IVIRMA Alicante. We recently published our article in the journal Aging. As you can see the title, Stem Cell Regenera Study. This study evaluates a new regenerative medicine protocol for women with ovarian failure, including those with poor ovarian response, diminished ovarian reserve, and premature ovarian insufficiency, conditions that have traditionally offered very limited hope for women who wish to become mothers. And that is what inspired us to take on this project. Every day we met women whose dreams of motherhood are threatened by ovarian aging or failure. Traditionally, fertility treatments often bring little hope for these patients. But recent advances in regenerative medicine and reports of cancer patients regaining ovarian function after stem cell mobilization with filgrastim led us to ask, can we use these stem cell factors, growth factors, be used to activate dormant ovarian follicles and restore fertility? Let me share the most remarkable parts of our work. We included 145 women aged 26 to 44, all diagnosed with ovarian failure. The treatment consisted of two steps. First, we mobilized hematopoietic stem cells from the bone marrow into the bloodstream using filgrastim. Then we injected directly into the ovaries the prepared platelet-rich plasma enriched with stem cell factors. The results are striking in terms of effectiveness. Oocyte activation was achieved in 70% of women. Also, what other surprises we met? Age was not a barrier. Women up to 44 years old benefited, with no significant difference in activation rates between younger and older participants. Also, the personalization of the treatment. Nearly 30% of women needed personalized adjustment to their filgrastim dosage, highlighting the importance of individualized care by a hematologist in this setting. Also, we found a moderate positive correlation between white blood cells and the number of stem cells that we observe, which may help us to optimize future protocols in the future. These amazing results, as you can see just in one shot, are amazing. 2 out of 3 women without any hope of activation that were offered to over the nation, they achieve activation. Another amazing result in one shot are the pregnancy rates after activation. 1 out of 3 women achieve a pregnancy. In terms of safety, we didn't find any severe adverse effects, and the symptoms were self-limiting, and only 50% had some mild symptoms. As you can see here, this treatment is effective in real world. Also are consistent with the studies in mice. The limitation, of course, are that it's a retrospective study, we don't have a control group, and all this stuff that always limited studies in women. But the innovative treatment and the innovation in this treatment are very important because our enriched PRP contains powerful soluble stem cell factors that already have shown their benefits in mice. Our study is the first to show these impressive results in real women, not just in mice. And this is just the beginning. While animal studies have identified several promising soluble factors, our study is already translating these findings into real-world results for women. Going forward, we plan to identify and characterize the most effective soluble stem cell factors such as thrombospondin or KIT ligand, also to optimize the composition of stem cell factor-enriched PRP for even better clinical outcomes, and of course to conduct long-term follow-up to track this study in more women. This expanded research is to understand which patients benefit the most and why. So in conclusion, this study is effective and safe for oocyte activation. This is a promising alternative to oocyte donation. The key takeaways: Stem Cell Regenera Treatment achieved oocyte activation in nearly 70% of women with ovarian failure. Pregnancy was possible for women in 1 out of 3, in previously women with little hope of having their own child. The treatment was safe and well tolerated with no serious adverse events, always with control of a hematologist. And our approach, in conclusion, is already making a difference in real women, not just in animal models. Thank you very much, and my acknowledgments are for my team, colleagues at the IVIRMA Alicante Clinic, also at the IV International, and of course to the women who has participated in this study, the happiness to see women with their own children. Thank you very much.